Today we build a flower cart in 3, 2...
The 3B Kids of Texas!
But first we stop for plans for Mama.
It's her birthday and we're building this cart for her.
We got what we need and now it's ready for the build.
We've got to take it from this picture to this beautiful cart.
Follow us on our journey.
Oh no! Dad! We need your help!
It turns out this was a lot more complicated than we expected.
And I got to use Dad's toys and it was fun. We learned about trial and error. What does that even mean?
If you don't try reading the instructions, you make a lot of errors.
We're working on the base for a firm foundation. Now we work on the planter box. It will attach to the foundation.
We learned that a washer wasn't just a machine to wash your clothes.
And if you lose it, oh boy.
This is the trial and error part. These are on wrong.
Don't worry, we'll fix it in just a minute.
Now we're cooking with grease. Now, we just need to tighten it all up.
Now we're done. She was so surprised.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Now to keep these babies alive in the Texas heat.